burn it all away. No, 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 no. Neon streets standing here with block to block, flickering screens, nowhere to hide. Robots rise, taking all our jobs. Crypto still surviving day by day. Will you ever break free from the chains that fiat made? I want your keys tonight. Burning money, feel the burning money. Spending this lonely night, stacking more. Tonight, burning money, touch me, burning money. Show me your games with your stash, burning cash. I could never trust the system. Did you feel buried in dead-end lies? You keep saying it's all going fine. Did you dream of no more banks, no more chains to bind, keeping us enslaved? Did you lie? Tell me how to break free from this night. Neon streets standing here with block to block, flickering screens, nowhere to hide. Robots rise, taking all our jobs. Crypto still surviving day by day. Will you ever break free from the chains that fiat made? I want your keys. I want your keys.
I guess I hit the wrong button, guys. I guess this is what we get. How's it going, guys? How's it going? Good evening, good evening, good evening. Oopsie doopsies. It is what it is. It is what it is. How's it going, guys? Good evening, Crypto Chaos. Good evening. Yeah, super scuffed as always. It is I, the Crypto Otaku, back again for some more Crypto Chaos and the news, where you guys, of course, come for the news, but you stay for the chaos. How's it going, guys? How's it going? And a Merry Crashmas Eve. That's right, guys. Merry Crashmas Eve. I don't know why all my buttons aren't working tonight. How's it going, guys? How's it going? Yes, Los in the chat. How's it going? Merry Crashmas Eve to you as well, my friend. Cliff is also here as well as Scrub. How's it going, Scrub? Merry Crashmas to you and everyone else. It's going to be a pretty short episode, I think. There's not much really to talk about. But let's get into, of course, the current price action of Bitcoin. How are you guys feeling on Crashmas? I'm going to throw up a poll, too, to get this thing started. It's gonna be a slow evening. All right. So, tomorrow also, don't forget tomorrow also, guys, I'm gonna be reminding you a few times tonight. We're doing, not tomorrow. Tomorrow's, of course, Crashmas Day. But we're doing on the, the following day, on the 26th. Oh my gosh. I closed the wrong damn thing. The other purple thing. Close the other purple thing. There we go. Let me pull, Discord back up. 1 second. On the 26th, we'll be doing our first giveaway, guys. We'll be doing a silver charm. Oh my gosh, I closed it again. Oh my god. I can't get the dancing mascots out of here. That's all I wanted to do. Alright, let's get back into it. Alright. There we go. Now things are kind of working. Kind of working? Kind of working? Yeah, maybe. Stream Deck is not working still. Oh, guys, I'm having technical difficulties yet again today. Bear with me while I see if I can get this to work for the live stream. Having issues with my laptop here recently. Go, and does good, yeah, does good, yes. we're back. And we're also back in here. Let's see what else we got in here for you guys. I wanted to, of course, share with you guys in the chaos. Don't forget to join the Discord over on Discord. We're sharing with you guys, of course, the giveaway we're doing again on the 26th, guys. Don't forget, guys, it's going to be the 26th, and you have to be there, of course, to participate in the giveaway. All right, so I'll be reminding you again here again soon. All right, let's get into the current price action on Bitcoin as it currently stands. Merry Crashmas to you, Strawberry Dragons. Hope you are having a great great holiday with your family as well. All right, guys. So this is what we were looking at this afternoon. I'm really proud of Bitcoin in this current price action. I really am. 87.5, still holding 87.5. As yeah, I was thinking we were just gonna kind of ride the bottom of this. And we actually broke out. We broke out again. So huzzah! You can't hold a good coin down. Alright, so just kind of cleaning this up here. We did actually break out the time that I said we were going to break out, though. And that was, of course, it's insane. Right around the 12 o'clock time frame. This is usually how things occur in our space, guys. Every single time. Usually we print these flags that seem to form around these, and then they break out a little bit earlier than usual. And that's exactly what happened in spectacular fashion. And yeah, we're back up yet again above the trend line. Last time we were above the trend line, it didn't last very long, so don't expect the world out of this. You can see here, this lasted 2 days. We're only in about 6 hours, maybe 8 hours of this right now. Yeah, 8 hours. 8 hours, of course, since the breakout. And it's still not as high as I'd like it to be. I really want to see, of course, Bitcoin return to 90,000. 90,000 at least one more time before, of course, the main event. The main event, of course, is going to take place on the 26th. That's going to happen at around 2 to 3 a.m. on the 26th. It's going to be a good time, guys. I cannot wait to see the complete breakdown of people's faces when we start to see Bitcoin volatility after that date. All right. So yeah, place your bets, ladies and gentlemen. I can tell you, I'm just going to hodl. I'm just going to hodl on right through it, just like the hurricane I've been through here down in Florida before, or, any other natural disaster. I'm just going to sit here and hodl along. All right. So let me clean up the chart real quick, and then yeah, we're gonna do this all over again, guys. Here we go. So that's what we got to deal with on Bitcoin here in the next 24, actually 28 hours, I think. Yeah, about 32 hours, I believe, to be precise. By the time, yeah, we roll into, of course, the options expiry event on Bitcoin, the largest one ever on Bitcoin. All right. Let's get into some of the metrics, guys. Let's get through it. Bitcoin's current price action and volatility, all represented by this beautiful live heat map. Yes, brought to you by Kimba the White Snow Line for free. Don't pay for something, give it free, guys.
Stupid?
Yes. Every night, every day. But you're less stupid, of course, if you're not paying for something you get for free. Yes, and this is, of course, brought to you for free. So don't forget to like and subscribe here on this channel, and also Kimba as well, showing you the business. All right, every single day. I've been watching him for years, guys. Years. All right, moving on. Let's see what we got currently for price action on Bitcoin today. And the order books suggest to us, well, that we're continuing to build stronger and stronger areas in these present time frames we're in. For everyone, the bears and the bulls. Look how much we've highlighted this today. Holy hell. Yeah, heat wave is definitely coming for 92. A really strong area of resistance to protect, of course, the bears from us reaching max pain. Max pain would be right around here, about 96K. They do not want us to take that. So what are we going to do? We're going to, of course, chop around down here still like we have been for the past... I don't even know. How long has it been, guys? Oh, my God. Do I have to go back and check the charts again? I can't. I think it's been like over 30 days or something like this, chopping sideways since, of course, the potential final bottom, which was back in the 21st of November. If I can actually, yeah, there we go. Right there, represented. So right now, in the current price action we're in right now, we've been stuck here for about 32 days. 32 days. So typically we only need about 2 weeks to, of course, find our bottom and proceed for a new leg up, right? And so I think we're about there, and we're about ready to see what's going to happen in just, less than 2 days. So yeah, that's what we're looking at right now on Bitcoin. Again, 80K is still going to be the biggest place we bounce if we do break down from our current level. Again, all this new area here is now being built up for 85K. So the likelihood of them pushing us below 85K is pretty much damn near impossible right now, especially for the bulls trying to protect their shorts or their longs right now at about 84K. That's max pain for the bulls. So We don't want 84, and the Bears don't want 80 or 96. So that's exactly where we've been for like the last 31 freaking days. All right, and also while we're waiting for this to play out, this is all brand new down here as well. For 70K. Pain still possibly coming for 70K Bitcoin. I'm sure a lot of people would love to buy up on those lows before, of course, the end of the year. And we're going to get it? That's the question. No one knows. And we're not sure exactly how painful it's going to be for one side or the other on the 26th. So keep that in mind as we get into these fresh new time frames. All right. So that's all we got on Bitcoin right now. Still testing 87.5 right now. It's kind of getting slow, too, on the order books. U.S. national debt has already, of course, crossed the $38.5 trillion line. Currently sitting at $38,521 billion presently. Of course, you know the government's not going to stop printing money. They're addicted to it. Fed decision in January. 25 basis points is now down to 12% likelihood. Damn! That is staggering. 13% off where it was last week. So we got to add that to our current roundup of narratives. We're waiting to play out here. And the next narrative we have, the only thing we have left for the year is going to be whether or not we see a shutdown on the 1st. So keep that in mind as well. So yeah, right now we're looking at a 12%. Where was that? Yeah, I guess I didn't write in that last time we saw 25. So right now it's a present time, it's Poly Market's looking at a 12% cut. I'm still calling for 97% by the week of, so we'll see how that plays out. All right. So the Bitcoin, of course. Let's get back into what was I? Poly Market. Yeah. Anything else here relevant for us here before Crashmas Day? Not really. Will Trump admin reach the I guess the extended Epstein related files? There's a 22% chance it's going to happen December 27th. I don't think they're going to do anything extra. Epstein client lease released by June 30th. What? 45% chance December 31st. So there's a 13% chance. Oh, that's all the rage these days, I guess. Will there be another U.S. government shutdown by the 31st? This is what I'm more interested in, and I still think there's a likelihood of that because they haven't had any time to really negotiate anything. Unless Trump has a deal that he hasn't made people aware of yet. Yeah, there's likelihood of a government shutdown. I think is going to get higher and higher as we get closer to the end of the year. Congress only has like half a week to determine whether or not they're going to have some sort of some sort of successful, I guess. I don't even know. Like a solution for this, I don't even know. I honestly can't even fathom how they're gonna have enough time to do it in like 3 or 4 days. It just doesn't make any sense to me. All right, moving on. Fear and greed index for the stock market hitting up a little higher today. It's up 2 points higher than it was earlier in the middle of trading session today. It was 456 this morning, now sitting at 58. Nothing too much has really changed. The stock market's still rallying today, hitting, of course, all-time high for the S&P 500. Crypto fear and greed index as well. Still in extreme fear. We're actually down, I think, a few points as well. Still sitting in extreme fear at 23. I'm going to refresh that because I set up the live stream about an hour ago. Still in 23. Nothing has changed. The Dixie, though, has a little bit come up a little bit to 97. Actually fallen back down. You can see us rolling over here. Finding a new bottom, hopefully, for the rest of the year. We got to get a little lower, though. We got to go at least 97 flat, retest that, and hopefully break back down to 96 and some change. I would take it. 96 flat would be a great place at the end of the year. Of course, down and to the right on the Dixie. All right, top 100 coins right now in our space. What are we looking for, guys? Of course, we're looking for every single day more DCA opportunities. I'm just going to skip to the monthly here, see what the most pain is in the markets, and still everything's not quite as sold off as we usually see, with only the month now bringing us 20s and 30s. Not even 30s. I don't think I see a single one here. There's 2, 3, maybe 4, 5. There's 5. IP stories down out of the top 100. There's only 5 assets down of 30%. We've got IP story, we got Dash, we got Render. We got Pumped Out Fun. And I'm really not feeling any of these coins, guys. Aptos, maybe a little bit more here on Aptos than I have on the other ones. And yeah, that's it. Usually we see like 30s, 40s, right? A lot of 30s, 40s, even 50s on the monthly, down oversold. But yeah, we're running out of course, opportunities. It feels like we're building a bottom. Just telling you what I see, guys. I'm just telling you like you see. Of course, if you guys watch my channel, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm still looking at ICP. It's close enough to 30% off. It's the only thing here it's kind of giving me like opportunities are knocking with utility kind of vibes. Everything else is just not juicy enough for me, man. I want more blood. I want more blood in the streets. Give me more. Give me more blood. We might get that soon, depending what direction, of course, 26 takes us. All right. Let's get back in the chat real quick. I'm gonna go over the top 200 assets for the same sort of effect. Merry Crashmas, yes, Merry Crashmas to you, Nebs. Merry Crashmas. Eve, yes, Chaos Crew in the chat. Gamma's also here as well. Good evening, of course. Hope everyone's doing well, how enjoying their day. Let's get this money, guys. Let's get it. And we gotta get into next year, of course, to get this money. Gamma God says a time for an alcoholic beverage and some trees. Ooh, that sounds delightful, Gamma. I wish I could join you, but I'm again on my water only fast. Yes. Back to the water only fast again. Since I only lasted 3 days and I had to reset last night, so I started all over again today. Yep. So hopefully I can get to at least next Saturday or Sunday is my goal, because my parents are going to be back by then, and then I'm probably going to be coerced or pushed into some sort of dinner opportunity. So we'll see how far I go. But my current record in my personal, I guess, life is 5 days. Already got the eggnog going, says Los. He's already to it, man. He's already to it. I mean, technically I could drink something, but I'll be on the floor faster in one sip probably than I ever have been in the past. Not eating anything. Shill Harder Redman, yes, Shill Harder. Shadow Token, yes, Shadow Tokens. Just wait for that sexy ass bounce, says Bag Holders Anonymous. Nebs calling for that as well. Let's throw up a poll, why don't we? Let's throw up a poll. Do you guys think we are going to see an upside or a downside face melting event after the options expire on the 26th? This is the biggest one too, guys. $23 billion on the line for Bitcoin. Yes or no? Is it going to be upside or downside? Upside or downside, basically. Yes. Or no. Downside. There we go. Poll is up. Maybe? Why is it not letting me activate this poll? Damn it. I put too many. Face melting event after options expire. I'm just going to have to put that because it's not letting me put all these extra characters on the poll. That's annoying. Really? I never had a limit on characters when I did a poll before. It's still not letting me do it. What the hell? What the heck? Oh my god. Cody Makula coming in with a $10 super chat.
Give me money. Money me. Money now. Me a money needing a lot now.
Thank you, Cody. Thank you so much. I'm trying to give us, oh man, this poll. There we go. Finally killed enough characters. Thanks again, Cody, for that $10 super chat. Happy holidays to you, my friend. Merry Crashmas to you, and happy holidays, everyone. Yeah, hope you've all been having an amazing crypto family. Yes, you've all been an amazing crypto family. I couldn't ask for a better community, guys. You guys have been so welcoming of all the things we do here on the channel. I feel like we have a very tight-knit group and a safe space for sure. As some of you guys in the chat have told me, I'm really proud to have a safe place for you guys. Us misfits, right? Us misfits. And the island of misfit toys, yeah, for sure, on the channel. Thanks again, Cody, for that $10 super chat. All right, and the poll is live. Do you guys think we're going to get up or down after the event? Oh, man. A lot of you guys already going to the downside. 100% going down. All right, we shall have wait to see. All right. Yeah, top 200 assets. What is looking like the most sold off here on the top 200 with real utility, right? With real utility. Fast tokens down 54%. Still trying to, I guess find a new bottom. It doesn't look great. That chart is scary AF. Not gonna lie. What else we got? We got FF. Oh boy, Falcon Finance down 30% on the month, roughly 29.1. We don't have any 30s. Not even in the top 200. It's just crazy. I think the only things we have sold off the most right here is we have a couple of 41%ers, 42, 43. DCR's down 36. Remember when everything was like 40, 50% off? Now only fast tokens 50% off. Starknet's down 43%. Hex is down almost 29%. Mana's down 21%. Who the hell's still buying this? That's what I want to know. Let me know in the chat if anyone's buying Decentraland. If anyone in the chat even knows what Decentraland is anymore, that's a blast from the past. 2021 coin. What else? Jido's down 30%. Now that's probably going to be my top pick. 29.7, almost damn near 30% off. Graph's down 28. Again, I've been saying a lot of these meme coins. These AI picks, right? A lot of these AI picks have not played out this year at all, and most of them are still down a decent amount. So if you want to build an AI bag and you believe in that those projects into next year, it might be a good time to be doing that. Celestia's down 30%. Telegram's down 31.5%. What else we got? Helium Network is down 33%. Maybe that's more along their lines. I don't know. But if I'm looking at this, I'm probably just going to stick with what I know, and that's going to be minimal risk, more with high use case and utility. I'm probably going to be going with Jido again. Jido's down near 30%. I know it's kind of boring. It's not sexy, but yeah, Jido is, of course, probably the Goldilocks loan. There's a lot of other assets, of course, in front of me right now. I just don't see them down enough to really, shout out to them. All right, guys, so yet again, Jido is getting my number one pick here on the top 200. What was my number 100 pick again? Damn it. I already forgot. The H-bar is almost down. That was ICP. Yeah, that's what it was. That was ICP. So ICP and Jido. But H-bar is getting close. It's almost near 30% off. Maybe you want to look at H-bar. That's kind of a shoe-in as well. Already on the list of course, of approved tokens by the U.S. government at the beginning of this year. All right, yada yada. We're off. And we're done. Not financial advice, guys. Of course, my 2 cents, not yours.
I'd buy that for $1.
Yes, market cap for Bitcoin dominance still sitting near 60%.
This entire idea of like 60% dominance is bullshit, ridiculous, stupid, right? Like,
I know, Seller.
It's stupid. It's
I know.
not 6% dominant.
It is. It still is. And altcoin season ceases, of course, to run. Yep. Last time we've seen any inkling of an altcoin season, guys, we were sitting down at like, let's go back like 6 months. Yeah, let's go back 6 months. We were sitting at like 57. Not even. I don't think we even broke down to 55, except for maybe the beginning of the year, running up to not even. Damn, not even in January. We have never seen anything close to a bull run for altcoin season. Nothing. Not according to Bitcoin dominance anyway. Like we have in the past with 2021. All right, just my 2 cents yet again, guys. Not financial advice. All right, coin market cap, of course. Looking at the total market cap of all crypto, we're down still about $0.04 trillion, about $40 billion from $3 trillion. So market cap, of course, not looking too hot right now. It would be nice, of course, if we could flip this back to at least $3 trillion before the end of the year. But top 10 assets still look doing the same thing. Bitcoin still number 1, Cardano still number 10, and XRP still dwindling. Now down to $112 billion of market cap, about $1.85. All the other coins still kind of doing the same thing here or there, mostly going sideways. Those are the only coins that are really exciting right now to me. All right, top 20 assets as well. Bitcoin Cash still holding number 11, Chainlink at 12. Nothing else really in the middle moving here until we get down to the bottom. Sui, of course, got flipped by Dai in terms of market cap here. Was it Monday? I think it was Monday. And Avalanche getting pushed back down into the top 22. Damn, how the mighty have fallen. And that's about it. Everything else in the middle still kind of jumping around in the same exact locations. All right, we're also looking at Bitcoin balance on exchanges, even during the holidays, guys. The wealthy the institutions, the corporations, the digital asset treasuries are still buying and buying and buying Bitcoin further down. So don't forget, these are the only Bitcoin left on exchanges, and Binance right now and Coinbase are the largest holders of these assets. And again, these are all not what's available to buy. This is what is sitting on exchanges right now, being held, being traded in calls, puts, etc. Yada yada yada. You got the idea. Moving on. What do we got? BitcoinTreasuries.net. We haven't looked at this this week yet. MicroStrategy still holding 671,268 Bitcoin. And where are we at for the ETFs? IBIT sitting at 778,000. Strategy against strategy 671. So again, I don't think there has been much of a reporting of iShares here recently. They are off. They're off. They're only up to date as the 24th. That's today. Yeah, I guess they are up to date. They used to be like a few days off. You don't even see them anymore. I guess I gotta log in. I keep forgetting to do that. Damn it. Alright, moving on. Yes, we're still looking at the Bitcoin Rainbow Price chart, and I'm still telling you guys that it feels like we're in a bear market. It doesn't feel like we ever got a fair shake at a bull run. A bull market of any kind whatsoever. I know there's some people saying that the top is in, and that 1010 was the top, but that would have been a highly manipulated top. Even in the last cycle, 2021, we didn't get like some, other than like the China ban, which now we've had the China cry wolf now with the China ban like 100 times. I don't think it's relevant anymore. Other than the China ban happening in the last bull cycle, nothing really happened until after. We didn't get the FTX collapse until I think 2022, so that wasn't really like a top indicator. And I don't think that this manipulative 1010 event really did, of course, mark the top at all. So I'm still against that, and I don't think that we do these 4-year halvings anymore. We'll have to wait and see how next year goes, but if anything happens after we cross the line, we already know that the 4-year cycle's dead. Again, just want to remind you guys, at the beginning of the year, the beginning of last year, it was before April. The halving, of course, was supposed to happen in April. It did. We started, of course, getting a new all-time high before the halving event. So that's never happened ever in Bitcoin's history as well. I think with all the digital asset treasury companies allocating all these Bitcoin, like the likes of Michael Saylor buying more than 200,000 in a single year, I think, of course, we're going to be, moving away from that sort of, theory, right? It's all just theory anyway. All right, moving on. Top 10 assets in the world today. Gold sitting at $31.3 trillion, still holding over $4,500 since the morning open. And silver not too far behind it as well. Number 4, sitting at $4 trillion now, over $71.68. Ridiculous, guys. Of course, we have a long way to catch up. Bitcoin still holding number 8 in total market cap. If this week sees a higher rally, another rally for the Mag 7, Facebook could come for our lunch. I'll just say that right now, we might get flipped by them again. Broadcom has been kind of a wild card too. I never thought that would be here in the top 10 here this year, and of course it flipped Bitcoin a few weeks ago. So it's going to be interesting to see how this all plays out towards the end of the year, but I think it's going to be really surprising for everyone in the end. All right, news. So, getting in the news, guys. Well, there is none. I'm not kidding. I've already read like almost all of these articles. I went through them all, pre-checked them before I started. There's hardly anything new. Nothing. This is the same article we read this morning, 87,000. We hold the line, right? We hold the line at 87K. We have been buying. Van Eck predictions frame Bitcoin strength and liquidity returns. I go to these other outlets. I don't close them first. I go to these other outlets like CoinDesk. Look what we got here. Circle platform. XRP price prediction muted even as new income generation opportunity appears. That was 10 hours ago. Crypto M&A hits records 8.6 billion in 2025 as Trump's regulatory stance spurs deals. As 11 hours ago. Bitcoin continues to slip against gold, testing the safe haven trade 18 hours ago. Yeah, so you guys get the idea. All this noise, it's all just old news, really. Institutions corner 11% of the ETH supply as exchange balances hit record lows. That came out a day ago. I don't know what else to really talk to about tonight. there's some that I just found 3 hours ago. Maybe I kind of feel like we talked about this last week. Now Gox dumps out 114 million in Bitcoin. A sell-off intensified. That's 7 hours ago. And that's they actually found they're looking at the wallet, I guess, the hacker, alleged hacker. Okay, so entities tied linked to the alleged Mt. Gox hacker, Alensky Bilyachenko, transferred another 1,300 Bitcoin worth approximately 114 million to unknown exchanges over the past week. According to blockchain intelligence firm Arkham Intelligence, these wallets, of course, hold 4,100 Bitcoin, valued around 360 million, and was now sold a total of 2,300 Bitcoin since distribution activity began in October. Arkham analyst Emmett Gallick reported that the deposits mark an acceleration of a controlled sell-off that started months ago. They should be able to track which exchanges they're going to and then try to get some sort of claim on these to go back to the victims, honestly, but they're not going to do that. Who am I kidding? They're not going to do that. All right. Anything else that's new? That was pretty new. As of an hour ago, boundless price prediction. ZKC price spikes 30% overnight. There's this Hopium article or FUD article, some of these other coins specifically. What else we got in breaking news? We're going to have to probably do some doom scrolling pretty quickly because there's hardly any news, but I'm here for you on Christmas Eve. Bitcoin trader maps out bullish Q1 while still shorting. I love it. I'm gonna be so super bullish, but I'm gonna short anyway. Thank God. Let's see who this is. Leading Bitcoin price action trader is mapping out bullish Q1 while still tactically shorting Bitcoin in the current range. A prominent Bitcoin price action trader in open short while insisting he remains by no means bearish on Bitcoin as he is getting pushback for it. In his latest video, the analyst explains what he's seeing, a high probability bullish move in Q1. And who is it? My God. All right. Despite his macro bans, who? This is like ridiculous. Bullish, bearish, neutral. Oh, okay. Trading signs the range. It's like the long-term bull. Despite his macro bias, the trader has been actively shorting 90K to 91 resistance region, explaining that the algorithm-driven sellers repeatedly defending this level, as I showed you guys on the heat map right now. The order books, right? It is very true. That is very true. We have not gotten past 92K, and that's the strongest level. So 90 to 91K shorts make sense to me, honestly. I'm not gonna even lie. He says that he now is excited, exited most, if not that short, keeping it only a small position after price rejected again from the resistance and bound for the pitchfork support, 86.9. Again, max pain, around max pain for Bitcoin. That's exactly where we're range bound between 86 and 90. Okay, that level is now in near short-term line in the sand, and the more Bitcoin taps that the current supply zone, he says, the weaker it becomes. That we tested it 1, 2, 3 times. On the fourth touch, I expected to give decisive 4-hour or ideally daily close roughly 90K to 90.7K, but flip him fully bullish on this short time frame and open the way to the target in the macro 0.31 at 94.7. That is like that's the final line in the sand for the bullish stance on this macro event. Above that, he sees not much resistance and describes a potential free pump toward the 100K to 104K region. And that's kind of the idea I've been pushing too. Stock market at highs, Bitcoin lagging behind. I mean, it doesn't even say who the hell this person is until the very end, really. Oh my God. I really don't see any sort of indication of who the hell they're even talking about here. Usually they tell, like, oh, this person with this many subscribers. I'm assuming the guy's name is by no means bearish or bullish, bearish, neutral. I don't know who the hell this guy is. All right, I'm moving on. I'm over it. nothing article as for everything else I see tonight. Let's see what else we got. Everything else here at Daily Hodl is the same stuff I read this morning. Price is going much higher for this precious metal, and of course that was palladium, gold, silver, glove tops, yada yada. Yeah. So again, guys, don't forget to hit the the merch store is open. Of course, the shop is open with the merch store. You can purchase cups, glasses, yes, whiskey glasses, mugs, t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, socks, a little bit of everything for your holiday joy. Of course, it's going to happen. It's going to show up after the holidays, but yeah, maybe it's for a friend or loved one of the show. Mouse pads as well. All right, guys. All right. Enough. A little bit of shilling there. A little bit of shilly. Also, looking back at the poll, guys. Quick little update on the poll before we get into doom scrolling here on X. Looks like you guys are thinking we're going to see the upside or downside on this, of course, face melting event we're about to, see options expire. You guys are still looking more to the downside. 67% of you guys believe so. All right. Let's get into some unfiltered, unvetted doom scrolling. I told you guys it's going to be a short one. I had a feeling it's going to be no news around the holidays. Here we are. Before we get into this, guys, we're going to, of course, catch up with you guys in the chat. Merry Crashmas to you, Scrub. Thanks again, Cody Bakulua, for that $10 super chat. Been sleeping and shopping like crazy, and I've been missing crypto. My bad, the leader. Bad red leader. I've been coming in and out and missing all the chaos. Oh, my gosh, Cody. I know, right? I missed Tinfoil Hat Tuesday, so that's on me. That's on me.
What are you, stupid?
But it was worth it. It was worth it. Even screwing up my third day of, water fasting. Scrubble says, buy your kids Otaku stickers, guys. Yes, 100% Scrub. I love my stickers. I can't wait to do another round of them next year. Merry Chrysler. Merry Crashmas, guys. Merry Crashmas. Oh, geez. Lauren Surf Life. Yes, shout out to you as well, my friend. Thanks again, guys, for coming out tonight. We got enjoy Bitcoin this Christmas. Coming from Simply Bitcoin. I love it. What do we got? When you sold the rest of the ornaments to stock up on the stack the dip. Oh my God, that's all it's on your tree. Oh boy. Or if you don't even have a tree, man. That's kind of where I'm at this point. Merry Christmas from Lynn Alden to all a good night. For those who know Lynn Alden. Michael Saylor, inflation is worse than you think, and Bitcoin is better than you know, says Michael Saylor, of course, on the Bitcoin Archive, bringing up some old dust from Saylor. Yes, inflation is worse than you think, and Bitcoin is better than you know. 100%. Clean, beautiful coal is always a welcome present in Wyoming. Merry Christmas. And Senator Lummis, of course, shouting out to, of course, Crypto Twitter. Challenges make Bitcoin stronger. 80%, on Saylor's current poll over there on X. SEC Chair Paul Atkins, of course, the market structure bill. We covered this an umpteen amount of times now. Do we want to play this again? Screw it. We'll do it again. Screw it. We're running out of news today.
Now, there's a market structure bill that's going through the Clarity Act that was passed by the House. And so that we'll see where that goes in Congress. And so I'm hoping that they'll be able to get that through. But in the meantime, we in the CFTC will be, and already are, actively working on harmonizing our two systems.
Yes, because they're going to be working hand in hand together to make sure we have proper regulatory, policy in America. Merry Crashmas from Steak and Shake. That's right, Steak and Shake. Do we have any Bitcoin hints of Bitcoin here on Steak and Shake? Nope, just of course their choice of gold here recently. But yeah, they did announce a few weeks ago, and when I get back home to Illinois, I'm going to be looking at maybe taking a job up at Steak and Shake because they're paying all their employees in Bitcoin now, if they so want to be. Bitcoin will also have its moment in the spotlight. Your patience will be rewarded. Long-term conviction is key. While Bitcoin has underperformed relative to gold and silver, a mean reversion is likely to be relatively near-term. Yes, my friend, I believe so as well. Hodl on, man, hodl on. Own one Bitcoin before it's impossible. 100% Bitcoin Teddy. I've been shouting from the rooftops about this for years. It's only amount of time, guys. Only amount of time till it will be impossible to hold a single Bitcoin. Don't forget you get your piece of the pie today before it's too late. Chinese guy built an auto-aiming trash can. That is awesome. Never miss your shot ever again. The robots are coming, guys. Not even your office trash can is safe. Holy crap.
What are you, stupid?
Oh, jeez. Yes. Oh my god, my otaku brother from another mother. Yes, Kakashi versus Gojo. Oh, wow. Did he really post this? Wow. That's awesome. Love it. Man, it's a 4-minute video. I don't want to play the whole damn thing. But I'm just going to say, Laser Eyes for the win. All right, moving on. I love Kakashi. All right. Starship versus V3 Super Hyper Heavy Rocket. That's coming from Elon Musk. So he's, of course, showing more of SpaceX there. Bitcoin will teach you more than any university degree ever will. Yes, I'm 100% Michael Saylor. Yeah, one of my favorite sayings goes, well, how does it go? It goes, formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. So don't forget that little piece of knowledge there. What else we got here? Just in, Central Bank of India to infuse $32 billion of liquidity into the banking system, according to Reuters. U.S. just ended quantitative tightening and is prepared to cut rates to 2026. And global money printers all are now warming up. Don't forget, Japan also 118 billion against the the rate hikes they just, of course, announced and implemented on Monday. So more money printing coming from all corners. And then this has been all over the time. We already read this one even this morning already. This is Bitcoin's price at 2008, of course, when it was created in 2009. And 2010, it was worth a quarter. It was worth a quarter. And where we are now is, of course, 87,000. A little less, of course, from the 110,000, 120, 125,000 we saw earlier this year. About 35%. Who lives in the pineapple under the sea? Well, it might be this robot. What the hell? Oh, geez. This robot uses a unique set of flexible hyperbolic fins. There we go, guys. Not even our fish are going to be safe from the robots. Oh, my God.
What are you,
everything.
stupid?
They're coming for everything. I'm telling you, those birds, man, that's the whole reason why we had the 2020 was because we had to shut down the entire world for the place all the batteries and the birds and the fish. I love that conspiracy. Merry Christmas Eve, Bitcoin and fam. It's coming from the Bitcoin conference in 2026. Don't forget to get your tickets today, guys. They're going up every single month. You don't want to get them at the gate for like $500 a ticket. Don't forget to get them soon. We're all going to, of course, meet up at Bitcoin 2026. It's going to be a great time, guys. I already got my tickets in was it April, May, sometime like that. That's when I got my tickets picked up. Billionaire Paul Tudor Jones, hedge fund Tudor Investment Corporation has bought 52,900. That's roughly 8.5 million Bitcoin. The worth of MicroStrategy shares for this year so far. All right, of course, everyone's picking the orange strategy. Own assets you can play forever. Imagine playing Monopoly and never buying any asset or investment and generates income. Imagine you just went around collecting $200, giving your money to the rich, and trying to stay out of jail. Sounds ridiculous. This is how most people, of course, live their daily lives. I can 100% agree with this. I just went back to Florida and watched everyone I know from high school, from my early adult years, and they're all still in the same jobs, working about the same for the same amount of money almost. I was just telling you a story this morning about how I went to visit my friend the day prior, and I've been jumping around all around down here, and I have a lot of friends that used to work in retail, and they still work in retail. One of them still works in GameStop, and he's a store manager, and he only makes $22 an hour. That's it. And how can you live on that, especially when your rent's like $2,200? You ain't making enough to pay rent, let alone eat in this society. Really, in this economy? Are you kidding me? Not at all. So again, guys, you gotta keep your mind on the ball. Make sure you're still stacking in real assets like gold, silver, and Bitcoin. Holder portfolio underground. You can see there, and then fancy car, Dubai trip, Gucci gangs. Of course, it's all on credit, and this is their portfolio. Yep. I can attest for this as well. This is how I know most of my friends and family. Unfortunately, that's the world they live. I hope all you are nice and you're on the nice list this year to get Bitcoin and not a few $100. What the hell? All right, guys. I think we've exhausted all the breaking news. There's hardly anything coming out right now. Obviously, everyone is home with their families that they should be and enjoying their warm embrace. Let's get in the chat and see how you guys are feeling, and we're going to get into the normie searches. I'm curious to see what they're looking up on, of course, the holidays. Pigeons aren't real, says Scrub. I know. That's why I mentioned it. Oh, Scrub. 26 watching, only 16 likes. Guys, where are the likes? Thank you, Lawrence, for reminding me, guys. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe as we're trying to grow further and further ahead with my shill floppy disk from, of course, yours truly, the King of Ohio, Jake the Snake. Do it!
All hail the King of Ohio! Jake the Snake, the keeper of wrenches, the painter of lead pipes, the igniter of dumpster fires.
Well, that time I had to actually, thank Lawrence for reminding me, because the scaly one is, home, of course, tending his... everyone else is bidding. Cody Bakula says that, they're robots. Anyone ever seen the baby pigeons? No. They're all robots. Oh my god, Cody, I love it. Continuing that conspiracy in the chat from Scrub. That's awesome. That's awesome. Alright, guys, let's see what the normies are looking up today. If you guys haven't seen this segment before, of course, we do this every single night because I truly believe, like last cycle, if we're going to have an altcoin season, we need to have the normies looking up crypto at mass scale. And we haven't seen the likes of that yet at all. So we check out the normies every single day, see how they're, of course, paying attention to our asset class. Typically they only look for three things. You look up sports, video games, and celebrities. We grade them on a typical A to F scale, of course, triple grade scale. And let's see how they're doing today. Probably not good. Spoiler alert, it's probably going to be an F. Yet again, Walmart, number one thing. Are they open? Are they out? Are they over? Are they open? God, it looks like Kroger got looped in there too. Grocery stores, Walmart, number one search right now. Are they going to be open for me when I forget something I need Christmas Day? No, they're probably not. Where is Santa right now? Santa tracker. The normies. Pat Finn. I don't know who the hell that is. What restaurants are open on Christmas Eve? Again, it's the Christmas dilemma, right? What is McDonald's Christmas hours? They might be open, actually. Hawaii football. Flash flood warning. Is Steam down? Steam store down. Ooh, that would be, of course, terrible for my video game fans out there who want to play a game on PC and Steam is down. That would suck. I don't think it is though. Not right now. Singe, Whistler, McDonald's, Santa Tracker again. Santa Tracker. Wow. What time does Stranger Things come out? Isn't that every Thursday? Right? Isn't that the thing? I haven't seen a single episode yet in the chat. Just to let you know. Saving myself for every episode to come out and just binge watch it. I mean, that's what everyone loves to do, right? Yeah. I'm sure you guys can, feel me. Starbucks, Dollar General, Christmas Eve hours. Are they going to be open? Are they open now? I don't know. That's what people are Googling it. Chick-fil-A. Why? Really? Chick-fil-A? What the hell?
Stupid!
This time around the holidays? I don't know. Starbucks, Chick-fil-A, oh my god, people got Wendy's on here. What the hell? Come on, people. Come on. Ema Donnie Dia Smith. I don't know what the hell that is. I don't know. Grok with a Q? Grok stock with a Q? Am I missing something? Did they change their name without me knowing? Like, what? What? Normies, you got me on this one. What the hell is Grok with a Q? Grok Incorporated is an artificial intelligence company that builds an AI accelerator application, specifically integrated circuit that they call language processing unit and related hardware to accelerate the interference performance of AI workloads. I don't think it has anything to do with Grok, but Grok. Okay, weird. I need to know more, I guess. Okay, moving on. NFL games tomorrow. Right, the Christmas movie, which is on every channel all the time, every year. If you guys still watch channels. And sports on today. You can just, download it. Just hit that button on that one website. You know what I'm talking about.
What are you, stupid?
All right. That's of course, enough for the normie searches. There's nothing, of course, here of value. I didn't expect any less of the normies. All right, interest over time on Bitcoin. What are we looking here on the day? Let's look at the 7-day here. We are getting peaks still on Bitcoin searches, which is good. We got one today at 95, which is, we kind of got robbed. Usually you have at least one during the week at 100. There's roughly two high peaks there. Most of the other ones are only looking at like 74, 83 on the index, something like that. It's not too bad, even for these days. Let's take a look at just the day alone. And yeah, we had our single peak at 99. That's not bad. Actually, two. We had two peaks there, 199. And the lowest we got on the index was 40s, 50s. So yeah, there's still an interest here, which is interesting. I wouldn't think there would be in the most, of course, celebrated holiday here on the planet. Interest over time for Bitcoin against everything else. This is interesting as well. Holy crap. XRP is completely flatlined now, so normies are definitely not looking at all. So maybe more institutions looking up Bitcoin and, stock markets, of course, in their opening hours. They are not going to be open tomorrow, though, guys. So just a reminder, we're going to be here hanging out, but not sure what we're going to do yet. We might just hang out and play some games or something. I'm going to do another poll and see if you guys want me to do something like that. 68% of you guys still say downside coming with 20 votes. Downside is coming for Bitcoin after the options expiry event. Boom! That would be shocking, to say the least. That would be shocking. All right. Let's see what's going on here in the Christmas tree. The Christmas money tree from Cody McCullough. Oh my God, Milk Money shouting out the trees as well. And oh my God, the wrenches and diamonds from Cody. Oh wow, wrenches, electricity. Oh my God, so awesome, guys. Spamming the chat with all these crazy emojis. Thank you again for supporting the live, guys. I appreciate it. That's what I'm doing with the Stranger Things too. Okay, I'm not the only one, right? They should have just launched the whole damn thing on the first of the year. I think it's the last episode is going to be on New Year's Day, I think. I don't know. I haven't been keeping up with the release schedule. Scrub says, might as well just wait to binge watch the 10 episodes. Yeah, 100%. 100% right there with you, obviously. Yes, Milk Money, Wrecked Wednesday. Yes, Christmas Eve edition. Here we are, guys. We're still here on Wrecked Wrench Wednesday. Ridiculous. And we're still doing it. We're still doing it. What is up, Milk Money in the house? Hopefully you're done with the Fiat Factory, my friend, and enjoying some nice warm days at home. I'm so glad to be in Florida and not being, of course, suffering the winter storms we've been having here up north lately. I think it's slowed down a bit, like this last week or two. When Lambo says funny colors, yes. When Lambo soon.
When will
guys,
then
soon.
be now? Soon.
If you still want that kind of thing, soon. Merry Christmas to all, and yes. And to all, a good Crashmas. Merry Christmas to all, Milk Money. Merry Crashmas to all. Yes, Merry Crashmas. All right, guys. So yeah, still looking, of course, flat on all the other assets out there. The other largest trending asset classes on Google: Solana, XRP, Doge, and Ethereum, all basically flatlining out for the holidays. Bitcoin's the only thing, of course, being actively searched and still slowly diminishing over time. Slowly. All right, we'll see what happens on Christmas Day. I'm really excited to see what the metrics are going to look like on Christmas Day. All right. I want to show you guys this too. So I'm thinking about playing Gunzilla. I've been playing Gunzilla's Off the Grid a little bit on my vacay since my parents left, and I don't have their warm embrace to to share with. But I've been looking at playing Off the Grid. And I'm looking at some of my assets I've been acquiring in the game. I have some of these items, and I'm like, holy crap! Like this one right here, they want 69 million gun tokens for. They have the crackhead Santa. They want 10 million gun for that too. The gun token right now is only worth about a penny. Right now, it launched at about It launched at about 10 cents. Yeah, so it's about 90% to the downside, like most assets are, of course, in our space right now. But I've been getting back into playing it again. I've been playing this game since the launch in October of last year. It's been going on now it's basically 2 years old now, I think, as of next year. Yeah, they're still in pre-access, and you can play it on Steam and or Epic Games. So definitely gonna look at maybe doing that on the live stream here during the holidays. It'd be a little bit of fun. I want to ask you guys if you wanted me to. Now, 70% of you say we're gonna hit a downside instead. A downside? Dare you say? How dare you say that, sir? All right. Of course, that's what you guys are calling for. And you know what? You may be right. And when you're right, you're right. We'll have to wait and see, though. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna ask you guys: should I play some games on the Christmas Day? Crashmas Day. Oh, sorry. Ignore my branding. Jeez. Crashmas Day. Okay. Should I play games on the Crashmas Day? Yes or no? Basically, quick and easy, dirty poll here for you guys. Since there's probably going to be nothing for us to talk about other than price action on that day. Okay, I got to end that poll first. So again, 70% saying to the downside, you guys say. All right, starting a poll now for the other poll. Should I play games on Crashmas Day tomorrow? Ah, jeez. Okay. Right. So Bitcoin right now sitting at 87,600. We're gonna of course look at the current price action and show you where we're likely about to go into the next run here soon. Okay. All right. What is the foreign markets doing? Also, don't forget we went over this. I think it was it yesterday morning or this morning? I forget. I think it was yesterday morning. We were, of course, looking at the hours for the opening foreign markets. We still have 3 large markets open tomorrow, guys. We have Japan, China, and I forget Taiwan, I think. You don't know if Taiwan's huge, but yeah, we still have those 3 open tomorrow. Looks like Bitcoin's still hitting, holding 87,600. And yeah, the same thing we looked at earlier. Where is my tool? Where's my tool? There it is. Looking, of course, at the current price action on the order books. See how the order books are doing. The same thing. They're still, I mean, they're building up. We just smashed through a new level that they just created today. That's already gone now. We could come back up, swing back up, and then maybe touch 88 one more time. We haven't seen it since yesterday or this morning, maybe. We might have touched it this morning, too. And then, yeah, we got to, of course, try to smash it again through 90K. I don't know if the bears are going to give us any more than that for the next 48 hours, or I guess it technically would be 33, 34, whatever it was. Yeah, of course, until we hit that 2-3 a.m. options expiry time frame. And yeah, below us, there's still nothing in between 80K and 70,000. 75 is still open to anyone now. We're looking stronger and stronger. Every time I look at this scares me, guys. That could be where we go. 70K. That's getting bright, man. That's getting really bright. It's almost rivaling the same amount as 94. That's, of course, a major options expiry pain, max pain for the bears. The bears want us, of course, to stay somewhere between 90K and 85. That's where the bears want us to be. So 90K is the sweet spot. Yeah, and that's what we're looking for. A sweet spot out of this for the bulls and the bears. If we do get any higher or lower than this, of course, max pain is going to ensue for whichever side, of course, falters on the options expiry event. 70K, though, is looking like, man, we might be range bound between 70 and 90 after this event occurs. If we get down that far, if we do, it could be explosive to the upside. Explosive. It's setting us to probably 95 or 100. I just don't know if we're going to actually touch 100. I still keep saying maybe 95, 99.5. I don't know if we're going to get higher than that if we do see a rebound that quickly. Again, I know most of you guys haven't seen these face melting rallies we've had in the past. Bitcoin does $10,000 candles, believe it or not, to the upside. And the largest downside candle we ever had was 20K, only on Binance because of their highly manipulated market. All right, so that's what we got on, of course, the order books right now. Bitcoin, of course, doing its thing. Okay, still stuck in a reversal-like pattern, fashion, whatever. Still range-bound between those 2 price points, like I mentioned. Nothing has changed. We're still waiting, and I'm going to show you a likelihood of where we're going to go next. This is going to be... I don't even know if I should do it, guys. This has come down the wire. I haven't been wrong in, like, I don't know, a whole month now, and I feel like I probably shouldn't do it tonight. There's so much uncertainty. You can go any direction whatsoever. We just don't know. So we did, of course, correct down from Monday to today, and since then it's been going sideways and grinding a little bit down with the bear trend line, and I'm happy that we saw a recovery just above it, but I don't think it's going to hold it. I really don't. It would be nice to just go sideways through here, and the foreign markets have been doing that a lot lately. So if I'm going to look at a baseline target, let me get my my ritual sticks in place. If you guys are not aware, you haven't seen me do this before, I do everything based on the psychology of the markets. It works out really well for me. I am hardly ever wrong. It is ridiculous. Yeah, I of course do crypto chaos magic every single day, but because of my current lodging, I am not able to do it. I have a smoke detector right above my desk, and I try not to burn any money on the stream while I'm in this location. I sometimes I get so excited I have to, but it's only little pieces of Benny like that. And what was it, one day we rolled up our friend Jackson over here and we smoked him, right? Oh my God. Yep. I'm trying to behave myself on this trip. Not trying to lose, of course, my lodging before February. That's where I'm looking to get back to the studio. So anyway, enough of that. I'm of course going to show you where Bitcoin's likely going to go based on, of course, the Crypto Chaos magic. Starting at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which we're about 7 minutes away, so I technically can't even start doing it yet. The foreign markets opened about an hour ago, or so ago. We're about 2 hours ahead of them here in Eastern Standard Time. If you follow me, of course, you already know that 9 o'clock represents the market opens here on this side of the world or the other. We're close enough, of course, to basically invert that here in the States on Eastern Standard Time. I absolutely love it. I miss Eastern Standard Time, guys. I moved to Illinois. It's freaking annoying. Illinois is Central Time, and it's our of course, behind. 12, representing, of course, the intraday trading begin, right? Where we begin, of course, lunchtime. Of course, people get off. It's kind of sad how Americans, and I guess the rest of the world, the peasants, if you will, of this world, have to work in the most prime time trading hours between 12 and 3. Of course, 3 being the wind down to the market close. 9 o'clock, we do the whole thing all over again on this side or the other side of the world. And yeah, it's all, of course, rinse, repeat. And I show you guys a lot of times when we're not doing this highly manipulated price action, right? That we usually have these, swing yin-yang like trades where basically, one side of the world will basically sell it off, and then the other side of the world will buy the dip, right? And we're doing this so many times. Oh my God, I'm so bored of it, so tired of it. And that's usually what happens. It's pretty. Pretty predictable for me. That's usually what happens from time to time. But since we've, of course, started manipulating this price action and the ways it's been doing now, recently it's been more predictable that we're just going to sell it off every day at around 10 a.m. or 10 p.m. It's one direction or the other. If we're too close to 96K, we're gonna dump it. If we're too close to 84K, we're gonna pump it. And it's doing it every single day, bing bonging around there, like Pong back in, of course, the 80s. If you guys know. Anyway, I'm gonna of course show you where price is about likely to go to, just based on all, of course, the overall sentiment and psychology of the market. It's pretty easy for me to do. I don't know how or why, it just speaks to me. All right, moving on. So it looks like, of course, we're still above this bear trend line from 1010. If you guys know, with that, of course, October 10th, that date. My guess is tonight we're probably going to come up here one more time on our baseline target, touch 88 one more time. It's going to happen between 10:30 and 12. Something like this, 10:30, maybe 12:30. Get rejected from there, come back down and retest this area for support, and maybe lose it a little bit and grind that line up, and we can open up tomorrow, again, without the American market, just the foreign market, and we are going to be sitting pretty much flat or down. Americans like to basically sell off everything. It's mostly just going to be retail tomorrow. That's mostly what's going to probably see after, of course, our market would normally open. There's, nothing else really going on. Our market never sleeps, of course, but there's a lot less liquidity when people aren't trading their typical assets. Here in of course, the TradFi, doing their thing. So that's going to be our baseline target for the night, and then we're going to do our bear case scenarios, we always do. Looking, of course, for us to lose this pretty quickly here, right around midnight. Try to reclaim, lose that down there. Retest 86.6. Maybe try to climb back up here before the market closes to the trend line. Lose that as well. If we go down farther, again, I personally don't see it, right? I don't see it, but we're more than likely going to touch that if we go any further than this. 85.5. We can't keep 85.5. We open up damn near max pain. Worst case scenario, we go down, of course, down farther to the max pain and touch some of that down there. The goal is, of course, to keep us above there for the bulls before the end of the expiry event, which is going to happen late tomorrow night, or what you would think of as early Friday morning. Right. So that's what we're looking at for the bear, of course, scenario tonight, going into Crashmas Day. That'd be a cool day, a cool thing to happen for Crashmas Day. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want it to happen. Oh, jeez, guys. All right. Yeah, we also got the bull case scenario for Bitcoin. Bull case scenario, we smash up here maybe around 10:30. We start retesting the likes of 88.5. If we can get back out there and double test that out, we'll break into about 88, 89. K, right around 1 a.m. If we can push a little further, maybe we can get as high as 90K. I don't know if we're gonna really go that far, but oh my god, guys, we used to do 10K moves. Like I said, like this is nothing. These are pumps for ants. This doesn't feel very bullish, but I would like us to come back down, at least try to keep some of this move, make a new high, something like that before, of course, when we would traditionally would open the U.S. market. All right. So that's what we're looking at for our bull case scenario. Not very bullish to my mind, just kind of up there and to the right. All right. Then we got to zoom out a little bit for, of course, our super bear and super bull case scenarios, suggesting all the probabilities, of course, to the universe. Super bull and super bear. Super bear case scenario, we're gonna smash right through here and just go straight down, liquidate everything. At 75K would be our first target, I guess. I guess it would bounce at 80 flat first. So we touch this, try to keep it, lose it, hit 80K. 80K will probably eat the rest of that up there. And then, max pain, of course, for the entire thing being completely over if we hit this early, down to 70K. I honestly don't know how low that went. It came close enough. Just came close enough. All right, that's going to be our super bear case scenario. And again, guys, just a full reminder, super bear case scenarios never, ever, ever, ever occurred in any of our previous sessions, so I don't expect it still to happen today. But wouldn't it be fun? Wouldn't it be fun to happen on Crashmas Day? It's perfect. All right, and then of course we have Super Bull case scenario, which has happened 3 times this year. I'm still waiting for our 4th, and we haven't had one this quarter. I mean, this quarter yet. We haven't had one in quarter 4 yet. We've only had one in quarter 1, quarter 2, and quarter 3. So we're still waiting for that 4th one to happen. Could happen tonight, guys. Could we get a Santa rally literally on the Christmas day? That would be insane. That would send us up to maybe, the max pain territory. If we do break above that, it's probably going to be around 100K for Bitcoin. That'll only give us, that'll be about $1,000 candle. That would be the largest upside we've ever seen on Bitcoin. That would literally be the largest candle we've ever seen in a single daily session. That would be, of course, our Super Bull case scenario. I would never demand that, never ask for that, of course. That's not how... If I was doing the ritual right now, I definitely would never, ever encourage that to happen, because, of course, you don't want to lose a family, friend, loved one, or an organ, maybe, you deem, of course, useful in your day-to-day life. All right. So that's what we're looking at tonight, guys. This is gonna be a tough one. It's gonna be a tough one. I'm gonna say we're gonna be on good behavior because American market's gonna be closed. Americans are assholes. I'm maybe looking at mostly a base case scenario. If we do hit any lower than this, we're gonna go maybe down to here, 86K. I don't see us going much lower than that. The more we induce fear before expiry, I think is going to be very, very painful for both sides of the market. I think they're both going to play it safe. I mean, we've covered every expiry this year, guys, and every single time it's always been very well behaved. And I even mention it every time. I'm like, I'm really proud of both the Bears and the Bulls. Yada yada is usually my rhetoric, and I think it's going to be the same thing. So that might be like the lowest we see, and then I think I'm just going to call basically baseline bull, because I feel like there's more room for upside than there is for downside right now on Bitcoin. Even with markets closed, I'm pretty much just looking at sideways action, guys. I'm telling you, that's how it's been here lately. So more along the lines of base case scenario, but we could start to see maybe a little bit of a break up to the upside. So that's why I'm a little bit more baseline bull tonight. All right, guys. So how you guys feeling in the chat? I got to catch back up with you guys. Oh my gosh, 73% of you guys saying I should play some games on Crashmas. Oh my gosh, what have I done? Well, that's exciting, guys. We'll have something to do anyway. Awesome. All right. Let's see what else you guys are talking about in the chat. Oh my gosh, they getting into the gold and silver market. Says Lawrence, talk about how the bullish the XEN news is. Yes, we covered that this morning. The Goliath, update, right? I still don't know how I feel about it. Yeah, it is what it is. I know you guys are bullish about it. I'm more bullish about them being listed on Robinhood. I'm just gonna tell you. For me, and covering, of course, the crypto news, I'm more bullish about that than I am them getting into metals. Okay. I've been waiting for a good chance to buy more XCN. Says Cody Bakula. Might be the time to do it. Let's take a look since we're talking about XPN so much right now. I still have the chart up. Yep, I do. There we go. There's the current price action on XCM. It's currently sitting at 204. Not even 205. We got robbed, guys. Not even 205. Jasmine's got 205 or more. It's got 206. Swiftcoin's got 204. That's about the right place for it. I remember the majority of the year, XCM was leading the way. It was ahead of Jasmine almost majority of the year. And then lately, they've been outperformed by Swiftcoin. The only reason I bring those three up because they have very, very similar price action and tokenomics, everything. I love these assets. Totally different, mind you, and what they're doing, right? Obviously, with Jasmine being a privacy play with some rewards down the pipeline, but I just love all three of them. I do amazing swings with them. I can't wait to see the next breakout. I wonder what the bets are going to be on it though. Since you guys voted on that one, I'm going to put another poll up. Let me know in the chat. Okay, all right. Let's see it. Which coin will pump first? Or I gotta say breakout first, really breakout first. Between Jasmine, XCN, and Swiftcoin. All right, just remind you, Jasmine used to be the outperformer. Then it got turned into XCN, and then all of a sudden, within the last 3 months or so, Swiftcoin started outperforming both of them. So it's been kind of weird between the three assets. I'm curious to see what you guys think. All right, here we go in the chat. There you go. All right, getting back to XCN real quick. I just want to look at the price action here, see where we're at. Damn, that looked like it was pretty bullish here up to where we are now. Like we're coming out of a giant cup and just handle forever. So we just kind of forgot about that move. That's fine. We got rejected 3 times, so it's probably not going to play out anymore. That happened it's from Saturday to where we are now. So that's been dead and gone. That idea, that move there. Let's look at the last. That was the last 15 minutes. XCN's just been flat. It's been on really good behavior this entire week, not doing anything. All right, let's see what's going on within the last daily candles here. The last time we looked at it, wow, it's not looking great. This is the last time we looked at it. I cleaned this up here a bit. All the small stuff in here, that's all invalidated now anyway. I haven't cleaned up this chart in a long time. But yeah, it does look like we were tracking its low price projections to the downside, trying to find the bottom, and it's still kind of managed to keep above where I thought we were going to hit the next bottom, which was at 305, 3045, 304, 307. 37. I can't see on this tiny screen. Oh my god, dang it.
Stupid?
Yes. I need to pack a bigger monitor. Oh jeez. But yeah, it does look like we bounced a little higher than that. That was at that second or third leg from the initial breakout we had this year. That was back in January. So right there is where we bounced. That's pretty good. That's pretty good so far. Again, we still could on a unforeseen path that would take XCN down to at least retest 2037, which is not that far from where we are anyway, to be honest. And yeah, we did not hold any of this earlier in the year. I was hoping that we would have held that 2076 back in November. Of course, we didn't get the bottom until the end of November, which was the 21st, right here. And we actually saw XCN fall further from that. Bitcoin has not fallen further from the 21st price action, which is an interesting takeaway because most charts, of course, follow Bitcoin. All right. So let's see in the chat. We got XCN calling 67% of you guys say that XCN is going to be going to break out first before Jasmine and Swiftcoin, with no votes going to Jasmine here currently, and Swiftcoin getting a 33% chance over that. All right. So looks like a lot of you guys have XCN, or at least value that more than the other two for of course, breakout, get full swing price action in 2026. All right, let's see what else you have here. You can play only Myria games tomorrow, Otaku. Jake, no!
Stupid.
But I can't, Jake. They won't let me. Oh my god. I tried, guys. I tried so many times to play some of the Myria games on here. One of the ones I really wanted to play, which I still have in my Epic library, is Meta Rush. You can't play it. Anyway, damn you, Jake. Damn you. Gary. Oh god, Strawberry. What the hell? What's up, guys? What's up? Free advertising. Yeah, I wish I could. I honestly wish I could. If I could, I would shout out to the devs and say, hey, give me a beta to play. I actually started playing a little bit. My friend wanted me to play was it Sonic Rumble, and that's a lot like Meta Rush too, right? It's basically like Fall Guys. I mean, it's just like a obstacle course. You get to the end before everyone else, you win. And Sonic Rush is a lot of fun. That's on Steam right now for free. Let's see. Braveheart is our road for McFreedom. Also in Sonic Rush, Godzilla's there. So, yes, a lot of fun. And that Sega property. Of course, you can't play it, says Jake the Snake. I've never been able to. No way. No, Jake. How many times do I have to tell you guys I've never been able to play Meta Rush? It's never been like an open beta. It's only been in closed beta. Braveheart is on the road for McFreedom. Yes. Is Braveheart McFreedom secretly Santa Claus? Shout out to McFreedom. Yes. And again, shout out to McFreedom for being the first real, totally real, franchise to start paying their employees in Bitcoin. Not Steak and Shake. All right. Merry Christmas Eve, Otaku. Yes, McFreedom. Thanks again for coming out again tonight, and my entire cast family. I'm currently behind the wheel. Or the sleigh, on the road, or the skies. I won't be able to chat, but I wanted to come in and send some love. Thanks again for coming and stopping by, Braveheart. We love you too, man. We love you. Oh my gosh, guys. You never heard that, Jake? That I've never been able to actually play the game because it's in closed beta, and every time they open the beta, I guess I haven't been able to try it since I wanted to play, because technically the last beta they had was in May or June, I forget. Anyway, it's been a long year, guys. It's been a long year. What's a Steak and Shake? That sounds like a made-up business, like McFreedom's. Quality since 2025. Oh, jeez, Jake. Oh, what the hell am I gonna do with you, man? All right, guys. Well, I think this is gonna be the shortest live stream we've had all month. I think this is probably the first time we've ended the live stream before 9:30. Usually we're up till like 10:30, 11 o'clock most nights now. But that's mostly all I got. I wish I had more for you. Like I said, crypto news has been kind of lackluster these days because we are in the holidays now. But tomorrow we're gonna play some games. I'll play a little bit off the grid with you guys. I just don't know how intense that's gonna get, and I'm not sure how much of the keyboard you're gonna hear over the mic. Like, can you hear the keys? Let me know if you can hear those keys, because I'm going to annoy the hell out of you with my clicky, spam. Okay, who spiked the eggnog, says Milk Money. Who spiked the eggnog? Is that something to really complain about? As long as it's spiked with the right stuff, I won't care. Love ya crazies. Later. Later, Jake, later. Oh, jeez. I did it. Gamma Goddess did it, guys. We found the culprit. That's who spiked Ohio's crack pipe. Oh my god, guys. I can't wait to share with you guys off the grid, though. I think you're gonna love some of the crazy stuff they have over there that I've acquired over the last 2 years. All right, guys. I'll catch you tomorrow. I guess we're gonna hang out. We're gonna do the business or see what we can get from TradFi News, if we can get anything. Take a look at the price action. Suffer in doom scrolling for crypto news, I guess, and then play some games early morning. We'll see how that goes. All right, guys, have a good one, guys. Of course, I'll be back for some more crypto chaos here soon. Merry Crashmas, and I'll see you guys all soon. Later.
When will then be now? Soon.
Fly me to the moon. see what freedom's like without money and gold bars. In other words, Gold 19. Oh! In other words, let's make history. Oh! Tomorrow will be more fun than let me huddle forever more and more and more and more and more. I long for all of which I'll gonna go. In other words, I should you. In other words, I love you.
I had to run out to the kitchen and grab a fortune cookie. I have a fortune cookie. I found a secret stash. Here we go, guys. What do we got? What do we got? Something good for tomorrow. Merry Crashmas. Maybe not so Crashmas. You'll experience love that knows no bounds. I feel like I already do, guys. Hanging out with you guys all year long. I definitely do feel like I've experienced love. That goes no bounds. Thanks again, guys. I absolutely love you. Shout out to Gamma Goddess, Cody, Jake the Snake, Ben Lawrence, Lauren Surf Life, Braveheart McFreedom, coming in with an outro super chat. Thank you, man. Thank you. 200 pennies. I'm giving you XCN Christmas gifts. Is that your daily rewards in XCN? Like Attila. Oh God, I love you guys. Oh my gosh, gotta eat the cookie. No. Yeah, I actually I don't mind the cookies. I know there's a lot of people that don't like the cookies, but I don't mind them. I'll take it, Braveheart. I'll take it. Yeah, we'll all take it. Thanks again, guys, for coming out. I absolutely love you, and I'll see you again tomorrow. The morning open. We'll see what we kind of trouble we can get into tomorrow. Can't wait to see where Bitcoin's going to go next. And Crypto JPEG again with the $2 super chat. Crypto JPEG's also still here listening. Crypto Drunk in the house. How's it going, Crypto Drunk? Thanks again coming out. The Beaver Moon, guys. Don't forget the Beaver Moon for those who know. Oh my God. Yeah. Speaking of which, Surf Life, you got to send me that. I think it was you who said you had that Beaver Moon indicator snapshot still. I gotta put that in the vault. All right, guys, have a good one. I'll catch you later. Love you all too. Yeah, Gamma Goddess. I'll see you more later. Merry Crashmas, guys. Merry Crashmas. Later.
According to the Wall Street Journal, the agency informed the NASDAQ and the CBOE that BlackRock and Fidelity's proposals are insufficient.
We can make the dollar the most attractive currency by continuing to have the rule of law.
You always print money to do that.
I suppose it would diminish our status as the reserve currency.
Just shut up. There's no expectation of privacy above the in the sky.
So Bitcoin is the solution because you can buy Bitcoin right.
Cliff coming in with an outro $10 super chat. I can't leave, man.
Give me money. Money me.
I don't
Money
eat my
now.
cookie.
Needing a money. Needing a lot now.
I was in the middle of eating my cookie. Merry Chaosmas. Yes, Merry Chaosmas. Andra also here on the outro as well. Oh my God, guys. Yes, Merry Chaosmas. Merry Crashmas. I love all the masses, or whatever. Oh my God. Thanks again, guys. Thanks again. Backholders Anonymous. Nebs also saying we love you too, Gamma. Give little Gigi hugs for us as well. Thanks again, guys, for coming out, and catch you guys tomorrow. Later. Don't forget.
The point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura. Forever.
Right.